So, yun, may bonus episode tayo ngayon, no? Mga bade. Ito sa electric pan na sira. Yung clip pan. So, gagawin kong lampshade. Kailangan natin ng ito pang dikit. Sa sakit ng ilaw. So, tapos may ilaw na ako dito. May ilaw ko dito. Tanggal namin. So, swakto siya dito. Wow. Yeah. So, para makinabangan natin yung mga natin na ginagamit. Tanggalin muna natin to sa loob para matingnan natin itong tubo paano pakabit. Ayan, yun, tanggal na. Ayan. So, ang nangyari nito ito putulan natin siya dito. Putulan natin siya. Doon ka lang, ito dito. Medyo mapurol yung ano natin.
Ha? Let's watch. Let me film it.
Oh, huwag mong galawin.
Ang filming ako kasi.
Doon ka lang.
Last one.
Ayan, malapit na. Yun, ito na. Ano? Rasa? Putulin natin siya. Balik ko. Open ko na. Ayan. Tapos ito. So, ganun. So, ganun siguro. Wala sa lalim. So, lagyan ko siya ng ano, kanal. Lagyan ko ng kanal. Para sakto dito. Doon ka, huwag ka dyan. Pinanood ka ng ano.
We're going to film.
Sabi doon ka.
I'm filming that.
You know pumpkin spice makes Olivia spicy. How many has she had? 1, 4, 5, 10, 6, 5. Check mine, Dad. Okay, check mine too. You're both done. Hands in, please. Says who? Hands left. What are you thankful for? Take a look. Olivia, I don't think the designers you're referring to are Prada and Chanel. She's not so many. Let's see yours. 5, 10, 4. Okay. Yeah. Hey, nice. Andy, so long as you're thankful for these, your list is great. Nice. What sides do you guys want for Thanksgiving? Something. What? Get him. Shut up, man. Hey, what are you gonna do? Something. You have to get her a coat. Yeah, coat. Fine. Ham, what's wrong? Well, what do you want to cook? Not turkey! But you're wearing a turkey on your head. Right? So what? Well, Olivia, what do you want for Thanksgiving? Turkey! Huh? God, please. Here you go, guys. Let's dig in. Not yet, Ham. You have to say grace. Grace? Oh! No, Ham. Say what you're thankful for. I'm thankful for ponies and kitties and cookies, nappies, and peanut butter, and... Why am I getting calls from my credit card company? What is that? Good Friday! Hammy, are you a part of this? What? How much have you spent? My money! Olivia, you're cut off. Good! I feel sick! What's wrong? Measles! I think you mean the measles. No, it's measles! What are your symptoms? Coughing, pig's feet, giraffe ears, and hog's breath. I think you can say ho. Nice! Hammy, no! Wait! What? We're get friendly now.
I'm not even tell you what, but I'm filming with my dad. Okay, so this 3, 2, 1, go. Action. Hi. Okay, but
Tulog ka na nga doon.
no! I'm standing. Da, 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 da. Because okay, the pistol is cutting my foot. I will turn off. Okay. Let's turn it off. And the user. Nice. Let me start my or maybe I would skip my arm backwards. Maybe I should make it backwards. Ow! This is like velvet. Ah. So what happened to my skin? So it's this homemade. Already is the best thing. This is the one. I'm just go forward. Maybe I can stand up. Whoa. Okay. Ah, we just got. Oh, we keep jumping. That's the reason I got the. There's more, there's more. Whoa. Let me restart like that. And boom. Wave. Roller. Let me start the whole thing. Like my sister. What will start a trick? Okay. Boom. How do we start? Go to easy part. You start your own flavor. Wait. That's a flavor.
Dyan. Ano na naman yan?
Stop it!
Anong galawin? Ah! I'm first person view, bro. If I could, maybe I could. Pinkin, huwag kang mag-ingay dyan.
Lipas libang ko. Kasama. Maipas, okay, I'm going to keep. Libo. Oh, ay, Hey Siri, what will do? Pa. May ketchup dito. May ketchup. Where is it next?
Bakit may ketchup?
Dito.
Subukan natin. Subukan muna natin. Gana.
Ketchup.
Oh.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number.
Kita ko. Bigay mo yan.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Yan na, okay na.
Ha?
Sinubukan ko daw.
Try ko din.
Yan yan. Tingnan niyo.
Lobat na. Now turn it back. I'm dead. I'm not died. I want now. No. He's gonna die. I'll kill him. No. Turn it back. I'll get you. Get you, little boy.
Mosquito.
I'm dead. Ooh.
Sa dilaw ng buwan. Saan ka lang pupunta? Dito para
Yung ganun pa.
kunting. Huwag mas kunting. Kung magulo dyan. Hindi gulo.
Tapos wala?
Hindi pa.
Bakit? Pa. Tanggal to.
Pagbukas
Ito.
dito.
Tanggal mo to pa dito. Mama na, okay?
Dyan.
Pa.
Kung magulo dyan.
Love. Okay, maybe. Are you okay? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Didi, you scared me. Your bed scared me a lot. Yeah. Got hurt. Maybe I should put him back. He's dead and he's still smiling. Why are you doing that? Because why are you doing that? Let me put him back. He's dead over. I'm going to make something.
Itasan ko siya dyan. Para nalagyan ng sabit. Hello, keyboard. This one. Automatic. Ito naman. Ganapin ito.
Hey guys, Captain here.
G'day, this book's Daisy.
Hey, welcome back to another memes and
Yeah.
more video requests by you guys. This is when we take your video requests from our Instagram and Twitter and react.
Oh my god!
Then we have some great memes. We have big, juicy, turkey-sized memes that I just want to dig into.
I don't think I can eat anymore. No more turkey.
Never want to miss a Captain video? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, ring that bell. Just like these guys. Welcome to the family. Now let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Woo! Learning with Pibby, but it's squeaky. Yeah.
Learning is so fun.
I love the song.
I discovered a whole other world that I
Check it out.
Oh, you're gonna love it here.
budget. I have no money.
Some tits. Wait, is he wearing a shirt as a pair of pants?
I think so.
He is.
No, don't do that.
Twerking again. You have a bigger nose.
I think so.
It's a bull noodle.
This is fine. Look at his face. Dude, I love that bull noodle.
That's amazing.
All the in Squid Game with Mario and Sonic. We think so, don't we? Nice.
He's so creepy.
Makes a good Squid Game doll. Oh. Problem one.
Oh!
Oh no.
The ruler.
Poor Luigi. Don't move, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Eliminated.
Oh, wow.
What are you doing? Yo, it's a bully.
Yan na. Tara.
Here we go.
Tignan natin siya. So, yan siya. Oh. Bukas papalitan lang natin yan ng ano, yung kulay dilaw na tumbilya. Yan. Oh, yan. Oh, oh.